Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Gagan Jolly, and thank you so much for joining and watching this video. So, this is here to announce my official YouTube channel, now Gurukul ServiceNow Learners Club. And in this channel, we are going to totally focusing on the hands-on part of ServiceNow. Now, let me take a few minutes that okay, why I'm starting this channel now and what I bring on the table for you. So it's been around I think more than 6 years I'm into service now, and I started my journey as a fresher. I did my CSA, and I worked with a client as a junior developer. And then I still remember in the first year of my ServiceNow learning, I was fortunate enough to do 5 certifications of ServiceNow, CIS certifications. Everybody was praising me, everybody was motivating me. I was feeling happy, I was feeling on the cloud nine. CIS discoveries, CIS event management, CIS ITSM, CSA, and whatnot. But that was one of the biggest mistake of my life, I would say. I was only focusing on the theoretical part and not on the hands-on. This is something I wanted to start from long. This is something I wanted to start from years, and I was looking for perfection always. Maybe I will have a perfect desk, I will have a perfect laptop, a perfect camera, a perfect mic, and then I am able to realize that perfection never happens. You need to start and you need to thrive for the perfection out there. So hence I am starting today. There might be a lot of things to improve. There might be a lot of things, lot of gaps I need to do in a different way, which will mutually learn and grow together. But the whole intention of this channel or this YouTube tutorials are going to be to get hands-on on service now on different modules, different features, different functionalities, what we're going to learn. In the past few weeks, I was reading somewhere that if you read something, it stays for you for some X duration, and if you watch something, it stays with you for some Y duration. But if you teach something, if you explain something, it stays with you for the longest duration of time. And using that principle, whatever I'm going to learn weekly, daily, monthly, I'm going to record that for you, focusing on the hands-on so that we can mutually learn and grow. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Gagan Jolly, your now Gurukul founder. Apart from this YouTube tutorials, we do our weekly virtual meetups. If you are not a part of it, reach out to me and feel free to join that. We do provide some great job opportunities. We are connected over LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and different social media channels. Feel free to join our network and let's grow in the ecosystem as a family. Let's support each other wherever we are stuck professionally, personally, mentoring, career, and whatnot. And that's how we are going to achieve our dreams. With that note, this was just to set the stage. Stay tuned, stay with me, keep supporting, and let's grow together. You will be seeing some great content coming on our channel soon. Thank you and have a great life ahead.